You don't have to spend lots of money to get a quality laptop. Here at Laptop Exchange in Montclair, they pride themselves on making laptop computers affordable for everyone.
If you see the prices, it's really, really reasonable, and that's what pretty much we get from all our customers. They come here, they check out the prices, they want to go for more shopping, and they come back.
They have plenty of factory-certified refurbished laptops to choose from, including PC laptops starting as low as $99.
Whatever fits for the customer needs, that's why we have this wide range. If you want high-spec computer, we have it. If you want low-spec, we have it. You want it for your kids, we have it.
And if you want a Mac, you've come to the right place. Laptop Exchange offers the latest form of Apple laptops.
They used to be non-unibody before. They used to be plastics before. But right now, the latest form of laptops are the aluminum unibody.
And there are tons of refurbished Macs in stock, including the popular MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMacs, and desktop Macs, just in time for the holidays. You can put a laptop on layaway or lease to own. Both options are customer-friendly and very flexible.
We saved probably at least a third or half of what the normal price would have been. I say don't buy a computer until you check out Laptop Exchange.
It truly is your one-stop shop for buying, selling, or trading in your laptop, tablet, smartphone, or computer, and all the service is done in-house by certified technicians.
Based on my grandson's knowledge of these computers and talking to the technicians here, he came away saying these people know what they're talking about.
And don't forget to come in and check out the daily specials. For example, today's special is this Acer laptop right here, originally priced at $239, but if you mention Best Deals, you can get this laptop for just $199. And to make things convenient, you can even check out their current inventory on their Facebook page before coming into their store. Join them on Friday the 23rd for their Black Friday surprise deals. Give Laptop Exchange a call at 909-625-5747. And don't forget to like them on Facebook. And for more information, go to bestdealstvshow.com.